Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark audio beat to match cut on InShot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my InShot application and I have added some clips to my InShot project. And here, as you can see, I have added my audio as well, and we're going to mark this audio beat. Okay, first thing first, we can tap on the audio and we have to select the beat option right here, and here we can add the audio beat to this audio. So we can play the audio first and we can click on this plus button to add the beat, and I'm going to demonstrate it to you. Play the audio like this and we can mark the audio beat like this. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on this check mark. But if you are not satisfied with the result, you can delete it right here by clicking on this icon. Then after you click on this icon, all the audio beat that you have added will be removed. And I'm just going to use this one. Then we can click on this check mark and we can cut the video according to the beat. Okay, we can do it like this. You can also use the split button. Just click on split and you can click on delete, split again right here on the beat and click on delete. Okay, you can do it one by one until the rest of the video. Okay, like this. Okay, and I think it's done. And this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can mark audio beat to match cut on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.